Hi from me, Bernie B in Hamilton's. In today's video, I'm going to be painting this outdoor toilet area that myself and staff use at our store. It's December time, so people, you might be on leave, you need some rest. But hey, you can spare a day or two to paint maybe a feature wall, repaint a cupboard that you've always been wanting to do, but you don't want to spend days and days doing painting projects like I do. You want to just rest and chill out. So why don't you attempt 1 or 2 day paint projects? Get it done. The rest of the time is yours for leisure and recreation. So for me, for December time, it gets a bit quiet here at the store some days. So I thought, why not? Let's brighten up this outdoor toilet area and bring in some color for the new year. So let's get started. So my requirements for this project is Hamilton's professional 150mm mohair roller. It comes in 50mm up to a 225mm in completes and refills, and they come in a tray set. And then I'm using Hamilton's all-purpose 50mm utility paintbrush and a green scouring pad, which is ideal for cleaning and surface preparation. Now, talking about surface preparation, please, if you're painting enamel over enamel, solvent based, give those walls a sand with 100 grit first, and then afterwards get everything clean. And I'm using that green scourer, perfect for surface preparation. And once you washed your sugar soap solution, remember to give the walls a good rinse to remove all soapy residue. Now that tedious work I spoke about in many videos is cutting in, doing the trim work, and I'm using the all-purpose utility paintbrush. And guys, this is ideal for multiple uses, including what I do a lot of, and that is cutting and trim work. And your holiday funds also won't be depleted because this utility paintbrush is very affordable. So all that cutting and trim work is done. Now the easy part is rolling the paint, and I'm using a solvent-based non-drip satin enamel. So take note, when using an enamel solvent base, it's a day between the coats. And there's only one roller I'd recommend for applying a solvent-based enamel on a smooth wall, and that's Hamilton's professional mohair roller. Gives you an absolute superb finish. And it's solvent resistant, so it's thermobonded, and there's no staples on this roller. So it gives you a beautiful finish, as I said. So a day later, what we do is basically cut in and roll again our second coat. And like I said, with enamels solvent based, a minimum of 16 hours a day between the coats. So my 2 coats are done. Those walls look really much better than they were, a nicer color. And now I'm noticing things like, yeah, the walls look great, very happy, but now the floors of this area don't look so grand. So they're going to need some TLC, and we're going to do something special on these floors. So look out for my next video where I'll be redoing this metal door with a little bit of color, the floors in something awesome. That's it from me, Bernie B and Hamilton's.